Hello everyone, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So very quickly, I will be introducing you to this project, Fintopia project. So I've been on the project for a while right now, but I feel it's actually a good time to bring a lot of people on board. So it's more or less like they're coming up with a wallet that you can trade in, just like the likes of Trust Wallets, Rabi, MetaMask, and stuff like that. So they're also building their own wallets. Do you get that? So very quickly, but right now we are at the mining phase before the token generation event. So here you can see farming. So you get to farm for 7 hours, and the maximum you get to harvest after 7 hours is just 50 points. You can see it's not easy to actually mine this. So you can actually get to accumulate this if to do most of the tasks that you are going to see here. So I've done most of them. That was easy. So these are the ones that I have left. 100 referrals, I can get that. This one also, I'm not on the Telegram premium, so I won't be able to boost this. So here I can still get to do these last two tasks, which I intend doing later in the day. So to actually be able to accumulate these 100,000 points to myself. Do you get that? So, and also if you click on every day that you come on board, you get to see this to take your daily bonus. So once you click on that, you'll be able to collect your token. So you can see till day 10 you are able to collect 1,000. So it's not easy to actually get this token. So this is actually the best time or the best way for you to actually keep accumulating. So once you're consistent, you're able to accumulate much more points. All right, so if you click on this screw, it will show you the friends you're having. If you click on this gem, so here in this gem you are able to mine, or you're able to excavate the gem that is inside this asteroid. So it actually reloads every 1 hour, or depending on the cycle. Do you get that? So once it comes up, it will comes up like a rock, and you tap it till you are able to accumulate, access the diamond or the topaz, whatsoever precious jewel that actually comes for you. So sometimes you might have 3,000 points, 2,005 points, 1,000 points, 500 points. So depending on the stone that actually comes to you, precious jewel. So if you click on any of these three now, you're going to see boost inventory store. So if you want to boost, if you have the capital, you can actually use 1,500 stars to actually boost your mining. So all of this you can do yourself with ease. So, and also you can also click on inventory. The inventory will show you the amount of precious stones you've collected. So in my case now, I've actually collected 11 of these. Do you get that? So that's also another point for you to collect some other things. So and also you see vouchers here, materials here, they are still coming soon in the development phase. So, and also if you go to your store is still also coming soon. Do you get that? So, and also very quickly, if you this is where you get to connect your wallet. So it's either you import your already non-custodial wallet, or you make use of Fintopia wallets, which you can also export the seed phrase for your private use, or to import it into another wallet. Do you get that? So this is a non-custodial wallet. So if you want to make Fintopia wallet your wallet, you can just click on settings. It will bring you this, so you can decide which of the ones you already have. So because if you click on this DeFi, you are going to actually see that you have a list of the tokens you have. So I have my wallet that I actually imported there. So, and this is Fintopia wallet. So you can decide to export the seed phrase from Fintopia wallet by clicking on export seed phrase, and you get to back it up, write it somewhere, and keep it safe in your drawer or whatsoever places you want to keep it safe. And also you want to set your main wallet. So if you click on set main wallet, you can either select any of the two. So but for me, I would actually love to use this Fintopia wallet, since I can also export the wallet, because it's an inbuilt kind of wallet I'm creating myself, and I also want to use it to run those transactions of send 10 USDT from Fintopia, because I would also want to accumulate that those 100,000 points. Do you get that? So but in your case, you might want to use your own wallet that you actually imported. There's no problem with that. You can always get to do that. So swap is not yet active. If you click on swap, it's coming soon. The apps also, you have all of this also. Just if you check your trust wallet, you're going to also see these exchanges also there. Do you get that? And some quite a number of other wallets that are actually available for you. You're going to see all this also there. Do you get that? So Fintopia, you're going to see, if you want more details, news, and follow them on their social media platform. Those are also things you can do. But basically, what you're actually concerned with is on this center. Just click in this center. That is what concerns you right now. Being able to collect your farming after 7 hours, you're going to get 50 points, and also coming daily to collect your bonus. That is also a very way, very good way you can actually do this, and also doing the tax that you can actually afford in all of these things. So there are other tax that I have done already that gave me this amount, and also it's based on consistent mining and also daily checking. Do you get that? So I think you don't really have much issue about this. And also lastly, this is the leaderboard, which you get to check the leaderboard. You get it. So you get to see the leaderboards and the stuff like that. So and you get to see your rank. So my rank is where I am right now. These are amounts I have. So just one friend and stuff like that. So there's nothing much, nothing much. Just jump on board also and make sure that you're consistent. Stay glued to it. So let me just show you the how legit this is. So this is their Twitter page. You can see before you can have this yellow tweak on Twitter, and you also see the followers, and also you get to see when they joined Twitter, February 2022. So you can see that they've actually been in existence before now. Do you get that? So all right guys, I think I have to end this video right now. Please make sure that you like this video, share with your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe if you are new on this channel. All right guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Bees. Bye for now. Cheers.